In front of me is REDBEAT E3 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening recorder and clicking on this gear on the left after tapping on allow in all available pop-ups. Now manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. To start recording, use red button at the bottom in the middle. As you can see, recording is done. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Then to access list of all your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines when recorder is off. To play one, click on it. And to manage it, hold it and use all of those options at the top right corner. By clicking on those 3 lines, you can, for example, rename it. Then tap on save to save its name. To get rid of it, use bin icon instead and confirm your choice by hitting allow in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!